Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this one yesterday, so that's where the red and green lines are coming from. And after today, very nice day, and quite a few updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, and I'm going to get rid of both of these green lines here. And the reason for that is from the big picture perspective, at least in my opinion, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Meaning a very black and white way to look at things is, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control of the current move. What's the current move? Well, the current move is this big old thing right here from that crazy movement when it was way down here to where it is right now. So that's what I'm defining as the move. So who's in charge of the move? Like I said, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then in my opinion, the bulls are in full control. Now, because this purple line has already crossed above that green line, and then tomorrow is going to be crossing above that one, yes, both of these green lines still do pertain to the chart. But from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have 8 million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So overall, support going to be that purple line right there. Near-term level of support just comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video and hopefully remember me talking about 64 cents as a level of support, this would be the ideal level of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart like the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 64 cents, that would by far make it look the absolute strongest. By no means am I saying that if the price falls below it, that everything's ruined or anything, but if the price can stay above it, yeah, that's going to make things look the best. Now, what about areas of resistance? So for this, good problem to have. We're going to have to start to scrunch up the chart here. And we may have to go to another time frame just to make things a little bit easier to see. No, there we go. We can make this work. So let's figure out some next potential battlegrounds. So next area of resistance looks to be right up here at, what is that, 70 cents. And 70 cents, that's just simply coming from way back here in the chart's history. So it's been a long time since the price has been up here. I mean, we're going back to October, but you can see some price congestion right around that area there. So 70 cents, next public enemy. And then I actually will add in one more just in case the big move continues. And after 70 cents, next level right up there at 72 cents. So 70, 72, next two key battlegrounds. On all though, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows, long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right here to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.